Hello creative people, my name is Elina and together with Art Philosophy we bring you this fun, quick and easy class in which I will show you how to paint this beautiful and romantic sunset. You get this class as a part of my watercolor kit, which also includes a block of watercolor paper and 4 tubes of artist grade paints. The paper is 100% cotton in A4 size and 300 GSM. I selected the colors of the tubes in a way that will give us brilliant mixes, so the shades are beautiful on their own and you can use them in your future works as well. I'm painting with watercolor for more than 4 years and I've taken lots of online classes and courses, and as a beginner it was super hard for me to try and follow the instructions of the teacher because I was using different art materials. It's why I like the idea of this kit so much. You get to follow along with the same art supplies. So for today's class I chose this romantic sunset over the sea. I will guide you step by step through the whole process and I will give you lots of tips along the way. You will learn some tricks about composition, how to paint soft skies with clouds, how to depict the light in simple landscapes like this one, and how to paint soft ripples, reflections and birds. So let's get started.